In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your site on WordPress.com. A simple WordPress tutorial perfect for beginners. Exporting your WordPress.com site is a valuable skill, especially if you're considering migrating to another platform or need a backup of your content. It's a straightforward process that won't take too long, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to be logged into your WordPress.com account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Your dashboard is the central hub of your WordPress site, and you can get there by clicking on My Sites in the WordPress.com interface. This will lead you to the dashboard, an essential control center for managing everything from posts and pages to site settings. Moving forward, look to the left side of your dashboard where you'll find a menu with various options. Here, direct your attention to the Tools option. Clicking on Tools will open another menu, providing you with several utilities that WordPress.com offers. It's a very intuitive interface, so finding tools shouldn't be difficult. After selecting Tools, you will see an option labeled Export. Click on Export to progress to the next step. This option is what allows you to specify what type of data you want to export from your site. It's an essential feature for those migrating their entire site or needing a copy for safekeeping. Once you are on the export page, you'll see a few different choices. The simplest option is to click on All Content. By doing so, you're telling WordPress.com to gather and export everything on your site. This includes your posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags. This is perfect for creating a comprehensive backup. Finally, you'll need to execute the export. You'll notice a button titled Download Export File. Go ahead and click on this. WordPress will then compile your data into an XML format and automatically download it to your computer. This file is your backup, and you can store it safely on your hard drive or any secure location of your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your WordPress.com site. The exported file can be imported into another WordPress site or kept as a comprehensive backup of your site's contents. In today's digital world, having a backup of your hard work is always a smart move. By following these easy steps, you ensure that your data is secure and accessible whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to check out more content for different WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!